One of my favorite things that came in is this sorting set. There's the birds. These ones can be put on a finger, so they can be used like a little finger puppet. I'm also very pleased that all of the details on the birds are tactual. You can feel the eyes, beak, and wings on both the mama birds and the baby birds. And then we have these bowls that are nests, and they have the insides colored, the colors for the sorting. The small ones are chokeable size. They're hard rubber, so durable, but it's to be used with supervision. And then we have 4 other colors as well, complete with the birds that go with them. So we have a whole bag full of birds and chicks.